Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you the difference between a personal receiving PayPal account and a business receiving PayPal account. Okay, now these accounts both can receive, but the difference is one is a personal PayPal and another is a business PayPal. Now, in a personal PayPal account, you realize the menu is home, send and receive, send and request, wallet, activity, help. Okay, the main thing is send and request. Okay. Now, in a business PayPal account, we realize actually it has pay and get paid. All right. So, one of the similarities is on the menu, they whole both have to show like you can pay and you can receive. In a business, it's saying pay and get paid. In a personal, it's saying send and request. Okay. In a business, send is pay, request is get paid. Okay. Now, both accounts, whether the person or receiving, whether the person or business, they all have to be with a PayPal balance. And this one has PayPal balance. Okay, maybe the location of where the PayPal balance is located is a bit different because this one is directly actually after logging in, it's directly on the left side. This one actually you have to first look at these two things: pay someone, get paid. Then the sections here down. Okay. Now the details on the menu may kindly change depending on the country, but still it doesn't change the fact that you have to be seeing like send and request or send and receive. Whatever it is on the menu, you have to be having options to send and request or send and get paid. Okay. So in a personal PayPal account, it's usually send and request. In a business, it's pay and get paid. Okay. Now on the personal, still on the right side, you can see that you can add a you can add a card, you can create an invoice, okay, something like that. And also in a business PayPal account, actually you have also these shortcuts, but a kind of many, okay. Now the two accounts can do depending on the country. For example, my personal PayPal account, let me try to generate a donate link by going to paypal.com/donate/buttons. You realize actually here you may not be able to create a donate link. Okay, this one you can. Okay, all right. So it depends on the country. If you go to paypal.com/donate/buttons and you can access generate a link, it means your country can actually create a donate link. Okay. Now, most countries you can only create a donate link when you're using a business PayPal account, not a personal PayPal account. Okay. So those are the differences. And for those of you who like to be interested in knowing more about PayPal, how it works, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to try to share something about how to know the country you're using, because sometimes the country is not directly shown in your PayPal account. Okay, for some reason, sometimes you don't know actually which country you're using on your PayPal. Okay. So we're going to do that in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you guys in the next video. Okay. Bye bye.